Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anissa Sarina Devi. I am from 5 APA. Today I would like to present about e-commerce. Before that, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling a product on online service or over the internet. Electronic commerce runs on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronic fund transfer, supply chain management, internet marketing, online transaction processing, electronic data interchange or EDI, and inventory management system, and the last automated the data collection system. Modern electronics commerce typically uses the World Wide Web for at least one part of the transaction life cycle, although it may also use other technologies such as email. E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce, refer to the buying and selling of goods or services in the internet, and the transfer of money and data to excite this transaction. The history of e-commerce began with the first ever online sale. On August 11, 1994, a man sold a CD by the band Sting to his friend through his website NetMarket, an American retail platform. This is the first example of the customer purchasing a product from the business through the World Wide Web or e-commerce, as we commonly know it today. Since the e-commerce has evolved to make products easier to discover and purchase through online retailers and marketplaces, independent, freelance, small business, and large corporations have all benefits from e-commerce, which enable them to sell their goods and services at a scale that was not possible with traditional offline retail. Type of e-commerce model. There are four main types of e-commerce model that can describe almost every transaction that takes place between consumer and businesses. First, businesses to customer. When a business sells a good or service to an individual customer. Second, business to business. When a business sells a good or service to another business. Third, customer to customer. Consumer to consumer. When a consumer sells a good or service to another customer. The last, customer to business. When a consumer sells their own product or service to a business or organization. An influencer offers exposure to their online audience in exchange for a fee, or a photographer licenses their photo for a business to use. Example of e-commerce. E-commerce can take on a variety of forms involving different transactional relationships between businesses and consumers, as well as different objects being exchanged as part of this transaction. Example of e-commerce. First, retail. The sale of product by a business directly to a customer without any intermediary. Second, Woolworths. The sell a product in bulk, often to a retailer that then sells them directly to customers. Third, drop shopping. The sale of a product which is manufactured and shipped of the consumer by third party. Fourth, crowdfunding. The collection of money from consumers in advance of a product being available in order to raise the startup capital necessary to bring it to market. The last, subscription. The automatic recurring purchase of a product or service on a regular basis until the subscriber chooses to cancel. For reasons why e-commerce is so important for business. First, can broaden your brand. E-commerce is an ideal way you can take your brand for a traditional brick and mortar store on an innovation well-loved brand. Next, it's more convenience. An online store is available all day. Every day means your customers can visit your store at all times, no matter what their schedule might be. Third, increase your reach. Do the internet as accessibility, millions of people across the world can view your website at your time and time, meaning that for this looking the expand their businesses and reach out to a large audience, you have many more opportunities to do so. The last, give your marketing opportunities. Your website is one of the best marketing tools your business has. Okay guys, that's all my present. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.